Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167. Hello everybody, this is Supercell EAS along with...
Hero-wise.
Okay. Hi, I am South Calman and I am a from San Diego that likes 21 pilots.
I am the Michael Jackson Sim EAS Program 100.
Your local Imperial BM-12 who is eating watermelon while monitoring KIG 78.
I had to.
Beautiful. You.
Kisses.
You stole my idea, Imperial Headaches. You stole my idea, Imperial Head.
And we have another weather radio to unbox.
Oh boy, it's gonna be TTSville.
Certified red moment.
Shut up, shut up, shut up.
Only I could find a Michael Jackson TTS voice sound effect.
Shut up.
Everybody shut up. I'm talking. Let's see what it is by opening the package.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. Well then, you niggas.
AI, here to warn you of...
Boy, we're just having fun.
Yeah. I'm actually unboxing the radio now. Seriously. Oh, and also, this is going to be a very interesting unboxing because my Kobe's plugged in and it's going to be ghost activating the whole time. What the heck is going on today?
I don't know.
Okay, anyways, we're going to be opening this box, but at the same time, we're having a weather event, so this video is also going to be recording for any alerts that actually happen. So I actually have all my weather radios set up, ready to activate whenever an alert comes by. And also the Kobe is going to be there too, so...
First SBR for Stanley's Facebook kind since 2019.
Okay.
You are sad.
Okay, somebody remind me if there's something for...
You know, I'm monitoring radar right now as well as any IM feeds, so I'll know.
Oh, I've never seen this radio unboxed this way before. That's really interesting. Alright, so we removed the bubble wrap. And this is what I decided to get myself.
Sounds like a calculator.
Alright, everybody. This is the GE 7-4845A. It's an alarm clock radio with the weather alert function.
745-AA, 745A.
It's a 7-4845A.
7-4845A.
Yes. Alright, and he's put rubber bands on this as well, so I'm gonna have to spend time removing these rubber bands.
Shut up, leaf blower. We're trying to record an unboxing.
Screw this, I'm not gonna waste any time. Where are my scissors? I'm gonna cut off the...
I stole them.
I have them. So, nice try. So anyways, this is what the weather radio alarm clock looks like.
Bunga bunga.
But yeah, here's the antenna. Here's your side right here.
12. What did you just call me?
Oh, you could turn on and off the alert tone. I see. Oh, and also the thing about this, I decided to order the cheapest one possible, and the cheapest one has a broken this switch, but it could still be operated. The alarm is in the off position, so I shouldn't have to worry about that too much. Here's the bottom. Now we're gonna do this tradition we all do in our unboxings. We're gonna press all the buttons, flick all the switches, and turn all the knobs.
Really, the only time I did that was with my ER3 MT10, but that was only because Torcon and 12 reminded me.
Can't do that switch yet. We have to do it with like a pencil or something.
Ah.
Oh, it's on channel 1 for us. Nice.
Hey.
Yeah. Now, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and plug it in and see if it works. And it... Alright, so now what we're going to do is set the time on this. 3:35. 3:36 p.m.
Guys, is South Carolina's Texas boys having a stroke?
Clearly.
And it gets KIG 78 pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set it up on the table. This weather radio does not have an antenna, so it's going to be hard to get some signal. And yeah, I now have the weather radio right here where all my alarm clocks or weather radios are. And yeah, there's also an alert test function, so I might see what happens here. Oh, I forgot to turn on the alert tone. See what that sounds like. Can't wait to hear this. See what that sounds like. Not really getting a siren or anything. Still the alert tone, so. Yeah. But yeah, that is going to be it for the unboxing of the weather radio. You can see I set that up, placed it right next to the Maxon WX3, and yeah, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.
No more lights came in.
But yeah. Anyways, I'm here with all these lovely
In the
people.
last second of...
I'm South Coleman and I need you to join my Discord server and subscribe to me right now. www.
The local Imperial head, the M12, who is scarfing down a watermelon.
Torcon.
Wait, what are we doing?
Get your
Outro.
Michael Jackson and say your name for the outro.
I'm a Michael Jackson simp. He is for 100. And give me money.
Talk on the unboxing ended.
And that's it for the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. That's it.